Unlock the secrets. Speak these 2 words for just 10 seconds and watch your desires unfold. Dive into the miraculous teachings of Neville Goddard. Picture this: uttering just 2 words for a mere 10 seconds, unleashing a tidal wave of manifestation that draws in everything you've ever desired. It may sound too good to be true, right? Hold on tight, because we're about to dispel those doubts. I understand. The world throws curveballs, making success seem like a distant fantasy. But what if I told you that you're just one decision away from rewriting your story? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're delving into the game-changing technique straight from the teachings of Neville Goddard himself. Let's begin with a profound insight from Exodus 3:14, where it's written, "I am God who has sent me to you." And in Psalm 46:10, it is stated, "Be still and know that I am God." According to Neville Goddard, I am is the self-D of the Absolute, the foundational essence upon which everything rests. It's not just a phrase, it encapsulates immense power, defining God. I am is the prime cause, the central essence shaping all external circumstances, as Ephesians 5:13 proclaims, "All things once admitted are manifested by the light." If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Every manifestation, every creation is illuminated by the light of consciousness itself, defined and manifested through I am. Consciousness is a potent force around us, coming in different forms and levels, much like the diverse colors of light. These colors, each vibrating at their own speed, create the magnificent things we see. But deep down, there's one fundamental truth: consciousness. Through affirmations, using the right words, you can mold your reality in incredible ways. Enough with the complicated talk. I'm here to teach you a potent technique from Neville Goddard that will help you harness the power of I am and experience transformations that will change your life. But before we dive in, comment, "I am made in the image and likeness of God." It's time to be realistic and expect miracles, as Wayne Dyer used to say. Embrace reality, realize your destined greatness, meant for 6 or even 7 figures, attracting amazing people, because guess what? God loves you, blesses, and prospers your life. However, here's the catch: God respects your free will. So it's up to you to direct consciousness through the power of your I am statement. Allow me to share an incredible technique from Neville Goddard's books. Begin by residing in the simple fact of being and telling yourself, I am, I am, I am. Repeat those words without limits or conditions. This statement allows you to feel the truth about it, freeing yourself from the problems that held you back. Move towards something deeper, something greater. Now we are ready for the technique. Don't worry, it only takes 2 minutes. Find a cozy place, relax, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and start repeating to yourself silently or out loud. I am, I am, I am. Let those words flow naturally as you inhale and exhale. Listen to what Neville has to say. Feel the powerful shift happening inside you, an expansion or growth of your energy and awareness. Don't be afraid. You won't lose anything. Old limitations will fade away as you progress. In this deep, expanded state of consciousness, discover a power you never believed possible. This technique won't take much of your time, just 2 to 5 minutes. Keep repeating I am until you feel a change in your energy. If you want your mental energy liberated from repetitive thoughts, forget about errands, tasks, and concerns. Focus on I am and create a space between each word. Truly feel the essence and vibration of those words. Once you feel a change, you've reached a heightened state of consciousness, connected to the energy of God, the Spirit, or whatever you want to call it. Keep practicing until you harness that unnamed energy, immersing yourself in your desires. Make them a part of your declaration. I am what I am. I am a millionaire. I am earning more money every day. Say these affirmations loud and proud. This method works in many areas of life. For health, affirm, I am perfectly healthy. The energy inside me revitalizes every cell in my body, and I'm in great health. Feel the power of these words, envisioning a lively and smoothly functioning body. For love, say, I am pure love, attracting a special romantic connection into my life. Tailor this technique to fit your life. Imagine your desired state and repeat, I am. A secret tip. After saying affirmations, think about yourself in a new way. For financial goals, picture yourself attracting money effortlessly. Say, I attract $4,000. I attract $24,000. Trust the universe to bring opportunities for your financial goals. Another example. Envision your dream holiday, saying, I attract my dream holiday, bringing in great experiences, joy, and the fulfillment of my ideal getaway. Create a vivid picture of your dream holiday, feeling the warmth of the sun and the excitement of the adventure. Take a thoughtful step forward, envisioning holding a real ticket to your dream destination, a symbol of your journey becoming real. Keep saying your affirmations and imagining. Let these thoughts sink deep into your mind. Feel a burst of energy inside when you're done. It might take 2, 3, or 5 minutes. Doesn't matter. When you feel that power, you're finished. Our journey has been amazing, discovering the hidden effects in these seemingly simple words. Remember, you have the key to this transformative experience. Put these teachings into practice. Utter these 2 words every day. Keep believing in yourself and your dreams. The wisdom of Neville Goddard is just the beginning of your incredible journey toward manifestation. As we wrap up this transformative journey, I invite you to reflect on the power within those 2 simple words. I am. In just a brief moment, you've explored the profound potential of reshaping your reality, guided by the wisdom of Neville Goddard. Remember, you hold the key to unlock a transformative experience every day. Embrace the reality that you are made in the image and likeness of God, destined for greatness, prosperity, and the realization of your dreams. The universe respects your free will, and through the intentional direction of your consciousness with the I am statement, you pave the way for miraculous changes. As you embark on the journey of daily affirmations, envision yourself confidently declaring, I am what I am. I am a millionaire. I am earning more money every day. Feel the resonance of these words shaping your reality. Whether it's health, love, or your dream holiday, let the energy of I am guide you towards a heightened state of consciousness. This technique, a mere 2 to 4 minutes of your time, can liberate your mental energy from repetitive thoughts, opening doors to boundless possibilities. Picture yourself attracting abundance effortlessly, manifesting your financial goals with ease. Envision your dream holiday becoming a tangible reality, and witness the power of your thoughts shaping the life you desire. As you continue this practice, know that the teachings of Neville Goddard are just the beginning of your incredible journey toward manifestation. Embrace these words daily, believe in yourself, and keep nurturing your dreams. The universe is ready to respond to the energy you project, and miracles await those who boldly declare, I am. Thank you for joining us on this transformative exploration, and may your journey be filled with endless possibilities and the manifestation of your deepest desires.